Inventory Source Honest Review, watch before using. If you're looking for a reliable way to automate your dropshipping business, Inventory Source is a platform worth considering. But it's not perfect. Let me give you the honest breakdown of its features, who it's best for, and what you need to know before using it. Inventory Source is designed to automate the process of syncing your supplier's product inventory with your online store. It connects you with over 230 dropshipping suppliers and handles product uploads, stock updates, and order routing. The platform offers two core services: inventory automation and full automation. With inventory automation, Inventory Source syncs your supplier's catalog directly to your store. This ensures you don't waste time manually updating product listings and inventory levels. If you upgrade to full automation, it also automates the order fulfillment process by routing orders directly to your supplier, making your dropshipping business more hands-off. Now, who is Inventory Source best for? It's ideal for dropshippers who want to save time on product management, and for those using niche or hard-to-find suppliers. It's also great if you're tired of dealing with stockouts or incorrect pricing on your store. However, if you're new to dropshipping or working with a tight budget, be aware that Inventory Source isn't cheap. Their inventory automation plan starts at $99 a month, and the full automation plan costs $199 a month. This pricing may feel steep for beginners, especially when compared to other tools in the market. Let's talk about supplier access, a key feature of Inventory Source. You can either connect to their pre-integrated suppliers or add your own suppliers through their supplier directory, which is one of the most extensive lists available. However, be cautious about the suppliers you choose. Not all suppliers listed offer competitive pricing or fast shipping, which can affect your profit margins and customer experience. One of the standout benefits is that Inventory Source supports multiple e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and more. The interface is user-friendly, but the initial setup can be a bit technical. If you're not tech-savvy, you may need to spend some time learning the platform or reach out to their support team, which can be hit or miss depending on your issue. The bottom line? Inventory Source is a powerful tool for experienced dropshippers who want to streamline their operations and work with a variety of suppliers. But for beginners, it might feel overwhelming and costly unless you're fully committed to scaling your store. Make sure to weigh the cost against the value it provides and ensure the suppliers you choose align with your business goals before signing up.